Hey there! Today we're going to discuss functions using void pointers in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you may have noticed, I have added this file a while ago. I name it ex60 underscore function or func using void pointer.c, and have also added this function prototype a while ago. So void pointers are often used for function declarations. For example, on this line, on line 3, I have added this earlier. So using a void pointer return type allows for any return type. Similarly, parameters that are void pointer or void star accepts any argument type. If you want to use the data passed in by the parameter without changing it, you declare it constant or const, such as this example. So you can leave out the parameter name to further insulate the declaration from its implementation. Declaring a function this way allows the definition to be customized as needed without having to change the declaration. So to better understand this, let me just give you an example. So take a look at this example. So this square function has been written to multiply ints, which is why the num-void pointer, has been written to, as you can see, the square function has been written to multiply ints, which is why the num-void pointer is cast to an int. If the implementation were to be changed to allow square function to multiply floats, then only the definition needs to be changed without having to make any changes to the declaration. So let's go ahead and run this. So compile and run. So 6 squared is 36, which is correct. So that's how you use this. That's how you use the functions using the void pointers. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So I want you to type in a code to declare a function that takes and returns void pointers. So there's a missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in, and if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.